Wait, now because say Imo and Sandra they for poolside they play love, now make your face be like person wey miss bet Naija. Ha! You don't dey obvious. You don't dey obvious say you love Imo, and you know if you hide the feelings at all.
Wetin you dey talk? Which kind mumu talk be that one? Every time I say you go open mouth, things wey no get meaning go just dey comot for your mouth.
You no fit pre ten d o. For this kind matter you no fit pre ten d, because wetin dey here be say him don collect food wey dey my mouth and she don collect your man. So me and you now we dey suffer the same thing, we dey suffer am, but no worry, we go play better music give them. And this music no be shaka shaka o, we go give them atilọ wey be say if they dance am their leg go dey pain them.
Oh, taxi driver. As you big rich, no sabi talk. Wetin carry you come here talk now? No dey keep me standing. You know who I be? Sister Maggi wey dey ring bell. Does that ring a bell? Sister Milk.
Forget who you be. Sister Maggi abi no Sister Maggi, they don collect your guy. But wetin I wan tell you be say, as e be so now, I don dey see am for your body say you love Imo. No be only love, you like am well well. And wetin I wan tell you be say, right from the Bible, for where John the Baptist dey, he talk say the kingdom of God suffered violence, and those who it's how they talk that thing. I no fit complete am, but no worry, I know as e take be.
I don't talk finish. You disappear. Taxi driver. Go stand for your taxi. Come on, T.
I know why they talk.
You've made my day. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
At least I can now say Ututuma. And when I see my daddy, I will tell him, Daddy, Ututuma na.
Once you see your daddy, say, Daddy, Nam Ototoma.
Okay, then now we come first.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. I think I got to go now. You need to sleep.
Do you know why people can't sleep when they're in love?
Tell me about it.
Maybe because in reality, they found something more beautiful than traveling to dreamland.
Maybe that's why Romeo died for Juliet. But it's different from this present one now. You have to sleep. It's getting late.
I can't sleep.
Why?
Can you make me to sleep?
How can I help you sleep? I am not a sleeping tablet.
Okay, most times when I find it difficult to sleep, I listen to music.
Oh. So I should sing for you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Clear your throat. Do it again. Nemo, Nemo, ezigbo Nemo, Noma. You have to respond. Noma. Say it.
Noma.
Good. Nemo, Nemo, ezigbo Nemo.
Noma.
No, wait.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I will signal you. Nemo, Nemo, ezigbo Nemo, Noma. Nemo, Nemo, ezigbo Nemo, Noma. Onye ga-emere m ka nne m ọma, Nneọma. Chukwu gọzie nne m, gọzie nne m ọma, Nneọma. Nne buru m n'afọ ite naanị onwe m pụta n'ụmụ, Nneọma. Nne o, nne o, nne o, nne, nne m ọma, Nneọma. Nne m, ezigbo nne m ọma, Nneoma, Nemu, Ezi mommy mo, Nneoma.
Hold on. Hey.
Sandra,
Hi, Imo.
how are you? I hope you slept well.
Yes, I slept good. Look at me. I'm already up. I've showered. I look so bright, huh? You know?
You look good.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you too. Anyway, I came to tell you that I will not be working today. Today is my off day. I will see you tomorrow.
Wait, you mean you're not gonna be working today? Okay, since you're not working today, can you stay with me? I don't mind paying you for staying over.
That won't be a good idea. Please. There is a lot of things in my head. I need to put one or two things together in the house. So please, can I go? I'll come back tomorrow for you.
Let me go to your house with you.
My house? Ruled out. My house won't be a nice place for you.
What's wrong with your house?
So many things is wrong with my house, Sandra. One, there is no light. There is no AC. Noise everywhere. You are better here. Please, just stay here. Besides, I don't want to lose my job. Biko.
Okay. But can you come back later in the day to spend some time with me?
I'm sorry. I can't. Not that I don't want to, but I value my job. I have to go now.
Are you rejecting me?
No. Please, let's stop here. See you some other time. Thank you. Bye-bye. Maggi, you see, I called you or I stopped you because I really want to know your final say about my proposal. I really want us to start rolling together. I really want you to. I am not for play. I'm not playing. I want you to really consider me. Look to my way. I mean, look into my path. Look into my heart. See the way I dress. Everything I'm doing is just to entice you. But you know they're going to understand. Give me opportunity to roll with you. Make we roll together and see how we can.
Hey, Sister Maggi, don't suffer. See the combination. Green day. Wine day. Hey, Malaysia people no go ever dress like this. They are. Make two of us roll together. As fish roll and egg roll, abi. Hey, Imo, you know the fear face. Machi. You look me finish. Sister Maggi, does that name ring a best? Does it? It is, abi. You look me finish. You know see stature. Huh? This shape now, people wear that abroad. Like USA. People wear there Jakarta. People wear there Madagascar, Indonesia, Malaysia. Hey! Hey, because you see me for this hotel. Huh? It is me and you na mate, abi? I don't blame you. I don't blame you. By January, you're not going to see me for that hotel again. December, Hana we got a lot. Ndo USA, ndo Jakarta, ndo Indonesia, ndo Malaysia, ndo UK, Hana we ndo Madagascar, Hana we N'ihi onye. Sister Maggi. By January, I call it a quit. Oh, it is me and you go see they do this skit. Skit where they do. Why we never collect 10 kobo before? Then YouTube don't ever give you money. They don't ever give you money. People go see us. Hey, Chifima, let me snap with you. Sister Maggi, let me snap with you. Shush, no gum. It no be say we dey do this hotel work. hunger for don wire us. See, if you get anything wey you wan talk wey dey reasonable o, talk am. We don dey late for work. Oh, you no get?